Hello, welcome Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a little Fiesta we took in part exchange. So, really pretty little car this. It's a 2011 on a 61 plate. It's the 1.6 petrol engine. It's a metal, it's called. It's a special edition one called a metal. It's in black metallic, black alloy wheels, as you can see, 59,500 miles. Quite a pretty little car this. So let's have a little look around. So along the front here we've got the Sporty front bumpers on here, so we've got quite a deep front spoiler here with a little chrome insert along the bottom. Front fog lights. Down the side of the car, so it's black alloy wheels, metallic black paint. It's got the privacy glass, black rear windows as well, so black everywhere. It's got this sort of sporty rear bumper with the diffuser down low there as well, and the chrome twin pipes, twin exhaust pipes as well. Show you in the boot. Oh, and a big spoiler on the top here as well. Nice and tidy in the boot here. I think we've got a spare wheel in here as well. Yep, spare wheel in there as well, although a smaller one, but it is a steel spare wheel. And down this side, nice condition. I'll show you inside. Three-door body, obviously. So we've got leather trim in this as well. So we've got black leather trim with the white stitching. We've also got heated seats in here as well. Okay, so we've got the leather-bound black steering wheel here with the black trim in here as well. Controls for the radio also. And moving across into the middle here, we've got the screen up here, so we've got DAB radio in this, we've got Bluetooth, I think we've got Bluetooth connection. Just push the phone button. Yes, we've got Bluetooth connection in there as well. And moving down, we've got climate control with air conditioning and the 5-speed manual gearbox. I'll show you under the bonnet. So 1.6 litre petrol engine, so gets along well this car. Sporty little thing to drive. Clean and tidy under here as well, as you can see. Yeah, nice combination this car. So we'll just run through that again for you. 2011 on a 61 plate Fiesta 1.6 metal special edition 3-door in metallic black, 59,500 miles. Nice bright car all round with leather trim. Any more information, please give me a call. Simon Shield, it's 01473 658 091. Or alternatively, hop on the website for all the photographs, all the specifications, service history, etc. It's all listed there as well. So thank you very much for watching.